Go get Tai Tai. Come on. Come on. Hey, go. Come on. And we are back outside on this beautiful day. Sarah loves this spot because, as you guys can see, there's small flowers within the area, so she enjoys just picking them. Yesterday when I took her in, she screamed, she cried just not to go in to come back out here, so I decided to take her out here today again. What are you doing? Tyler is up there. Tyler says he's making a mountain with the stones. Sarah, you're picking flowers? Thanks. Give one to Mama.
Wait.
You changed your mind. Come here. My battery is dying. I knew it was gonna die. Now I should have carried spare. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in sunny, beautiful Nice, beautiful France. And we are back outside in the garden with the kids. Sarah's picking up stone, doing the stone. Well, yeah, it feels so good outside. Why not? It's a good day to do some barbecue out. So I might cancel my soup for barbecue. I think not, but hey, it's a beautiful day outside, so we're just here out with the kids in the garden. Tyler, say morning to the fields. Tyler, Ty, come say wagwan.
I can't stop on my mouth.
Why?
Peter,
Sarah, look, say
I'm
hi.
paying attention to Sarah to not step on my mouth.
You're too funny. Look how beautiful is the sky. Look how beautiful is the sky. Princess. So one is picking flowers and the other one is doing what he do. Don't ask me what he's doing. Sarah. Sarah. He says running. You're doing long jump. Okay. Oh my god. Look at the way you run. Poor Sarah. Run, Sarah, run. They're coming. Run, Sarah, run, Sarah, run. He's coming, run. Is it Tai Tai coming? Go get Tai Tai. Go get him, Sarah. Go get him. Go get him, Sarah. Sarah, who is that coming? Is it Papa? Sarah, look at Papa. Who is that? So look who has joined us. Babe. And they're trying to play. Wait, Ty. Give her one. That's why I tell you, give her one. Tyler, give her the one in your hand. Put it down on the ground. Put it down flat. Right. No, go play. Sarah gone for it. Sarah gone for the ball gone under the look at these two.
d'abord tu glisses.
Baby teaching him how to play properly.
Voilà. 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 Voilà.
No one that one she want. She want one of those. That's okay, Tyler. Just carry two. Tyler, that's okay. Leave those where it is.
Come back.
Just try and master the throwing properly. Leave Sarah.
Sarah, no.
She finally two. It's alright. You guys just aim to one ball. Teach Tyler how to aim. Wait. Oh. Wait, Tyler, wait. Sarah, come. Come for this one. Sarah, look at Mama. Yeah, come. Here, come. Here.
Reste là, ta soeur. Allez, vas-y maintenant. Attends, non.
C'est oups.
Allez, vas-y, concentre-toi. Allez, concentre-toi et tiens. Oups.
Mama, thank you, please.
Regarde.
Can I have one? So yeah, we're just out here enjoying the sun and enjoying the kids running around and then playing hide and seek with Sarah and this ball because this ball is heavy. So if it hit her, she's done. So we have to be guarding her from this ball. But they're having fun. And she's having fun just running around. She loves outside bad. Look at her. I don't know if you guys know this game, but it's a very popular game in France, especially during the summertime. It's very common. It's called pétanque. It's very, very, very common game. Anyway, you guys, you hear her calling Tai Tai, she don't stop calling Tai Tai. She called it Tai Tai. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys enjoy the rest of today's vlog and subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam and Kelly. Keep up with everybody. Look at her calling Tai Tai. Call Tai Tai, Sarah. Sarah, call Tai Tai. Call Tai Tai. Call Tai Tai. Do you see her? Big woman that she's a whole little woman. Calling Tai Tai. Tai Tai! Tai Tai!
Hey guys! Yes, it's us. We're back from outside. I cook a Jamaican soup. Like a dumpling?
You gonna make dumpling?
Yes, I'm gonna make dumpling. What kind of dumpling you want? You want a croissant dumpling? You want a flat dumpling? You want a lion dumpling? What kind of dumpling you want? I can make a king dumpling. So yes. And after, stay tuned.
Make dumpling for real?
Stay tuned with us after. I'm gonna give you some update about me. And yeah, I'm making dumpling. You want me to teach you to do dumpling? What kind of dumpling you want?
I'm much dumpling. I'm just making all it for you.
Okay. So we have some carrots. What kind of carrots is that? Ugly carrots? That's better. Strong. Better. We have some pomme de terre, some potatoes. We have sweet potatoes, patate douce. We have here some butternut. You call that butternut in English?
Yes, some people call it butternut squash. We call it pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Ah, pumpkin. You're my pumpkin. So we have butternut here. I'm going to say something different from her. So We have butternut here, and we have a scallion, that's how you call scallion. And we have a scallion here. And we have some chicken, because Jamaican soup have chicken. And here...
Surely it's because it's chicken soup on the chicken.
Because we're going to make chicken Jamaican soup. And we have some flowers here.
We have what?
Flour? No?
Yes, there's no S.
Yeah, flour.
With S is that one.
Oh.
You guys, did I tell you one day I called Babe? He was on his way from work and I called Babe and tell him to bring me home flour.
I did all of the stores.
To cook. This.
No, she didn't say to cook.
Hold on. I tell Babe to bring me home flour, right? But I was cooking and I wanted flour. Or I think I wanted to make festival and I didn't have any flour. Something I wanted to make, I didn't have any flour. I called him and said, Babe, bring me home flour. And Babe bring me home roses. Can you guys believe that?
So you are not happy?
No, I was so mad.
I give her flowers and she's so unhappy. I was thinking maybe she wanted to do like a romantic dinner or something, like she just needed some flowers to make it fit. And I came home smiling with the flowers. Her say, oh, where's my flower? Say, it's here. No, where's my flower? I was so heartbroken.
Pissed.
So heartbroken. She was pissed at me. I was heartbroken.
You guys, you don't know all the Saturday bubblings go already. You see? Anyway, you guys, that's dinner for today. So far done. I'm gonna share the kids zone at it cool right now.
The purple on you, you're matching with your butter behind.
You're too funny.
So guys, when I left you with a machine, with a, I think they call it an older test.
That was Thursday, right?
That was Thursday. Wednesday I got the machine, so I left you Wednesday with all of these things around me. Whew, that was a long day, guys. I don't know who already did. I think it's a common test. So the aim was to register my heart for 24 hours. Mean I have to sleep with all of the machine around me and all of this thing. That wasn't an easy day.
Terrible night.
I have a terrible night, and all day.
Because all night.
All day I have to keep that with me. I mean, so I went on Thursday night. I went to see the cardiologist again. So we look at the result, and he saw what I have. So he explained me many what I have. What the doctor, the previous doctor last week saw is like my heartbeat, like normally, like boom, 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 boom. But sometimes he do boom, 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 like one extra, no, not really speeds up, but one extra beat coming from nowhere. So okay. So when I see the doctor, he registered that, but nothing's much to worry about that. Catch more his attention is that for a short period of time, like for 10 seconds, my heart beats so fast. I mean, longest one is 10 seconds, and sometime at the opposite, for like 2 seconds, my heart stop to beat. Like he make a little pause for 2 seconds. So 2 seconds is perfectly fine. Nothing's to worry much for now. But the doctor give me medicine, and I have to take medicine for until it get good, like maybe months, I don't know. Morning and evening. So this is something that it helps. I'm wondering, because I've talked with people around me, and some people that catch COVID, they say that they felt exactly the same, and in French they call it like a long COVID. Is like when some symptom coming like 6-10 weeks after we turn positive. So I'm wondering if this is the effect of the COVID. For the cardiologist, he not really concerned about that. I mean, he don't really make the link. And I think also that because we don't know much about COVID and all of the symptoms we're learning, so we can't really make the link. They consider like, okay, we're gonna treat it like if there's no link. But yeah, I think I'm really confused, but I just have to pay attention now. So I stopped coffee, no more coffee. It's been some days, no more coffee.
Coca.
No more coca, Lordy. I'm gonna have to find a substitute. Yeah. Yeah, and guys, I don't know if you remember when Sarah born, I didn't say I faint. It happened the same to me again. At the doctor, inside the doctor office. Who do that? Who do that? Well, it's the best place to do it. Inside the doctor office, I just feel, you know, with the mask, it was
My
like
husband fainted at the doctor. Can you imagine?
it was like an hour appointment, but at the point with the mask around, I starting to feel like, starting to feel bad, and I was in front of the doctor, so I just take out my mask and start to drink water, put back the water, put back on the mask, and I was just thinking, damn, hope this appointment will soon finish. Like, not feeling good, but okay, hold it on. And slowly I starting to faint. Oh my god, I have to take away the mask to walk on the side, and just the fact to, because I was sitting all along, it's not like if I was standing, but just the fact to take off my mask, take a deep breath, and I'm starting back to feel fine. So yeah, and then you have to lay down, I have to take my heart, everything fine, I have to take my pressure, everything fine. I don't know, I think it's this, having this mask, you know, easy to breathe, and I don't know what happened to me. So yeah, so I will be under treatment for the next month, I think. Let's see, until I feel better. Yeah, I have 2 next doctor appointment. Next week will be for my head again. I have another appointment with like a MRI with injection, and the week after I have to go back to the cardiologist for a test, like a effort, like I'll be biking for 20 minutes, and I will do exercise while he take care of my heart, what he look if everything fine. So yeah, that's not good news, but that's not bad news in terms of, for now, nothing's wrong, nothing's I'm gonna say like serious need surgery or anything's found, but in the same time being under treatment, still showing that it's not like if nothing's there, and I feel it. That's really not, I don't like that feeling. So well, sorry. It's time to end the vlog.
I've been waiting.
That was long. Sorry. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this vlog, not the end part, but the other part. I hope you like it.
Last hour I changed completely. You guys hear me? I don't know what's going on. The past hour, my nose is running.
She lied a lot.
Stuffy.
A lot.
You guys can hear my voice change.
Pinocchio.
And I'm just sneezing like crazy, just out
Pinocchio.
of nowhere.
Pinocchio. You
He
said
takes
Pinocchio
nothing
in
serious,
English?
you know.
You said Pinocchio in English too?
This man take nothing serious. Anyway, you guys, I don't know what's going on with me.
Oh, damn, when I do that, it
I
hurts.
don't know where this sickness is coming from or what I'm catching, my sinus or whatever it is, because I was pretty fine all day, felt nothing, and the past hour everything just changed like that. So I'm gonna stop the talking and let baby in this vlog because
That's a chick.
I don't feel right. I don't sound right.
Your sounds perfect.
Can you end the vlog? I want to kiss you up and let you catch whatever I'm catching and you find out something. End the vlog.
Anyway, guys, that was a good day. We had fun, went outside. It was a pretty day, and tomorrow will be another pretty day too. So you don't want to miss tomorrow. Look how mad she looks.
I don't know what's going on with me. My throat scratching, my nose stuffy. Oh my god, this is the worst.
Sorry.
And it's just scratching. Like,
Sorry.
baby, he's so annoying.
I'm really sorry.
You're a fool.
Oh. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and we see you guys with this sick, but I'm sure tomorrow she'll be perfect. She'll be perfect to annoy me. You don't want to miss that. Let's see you tomorrow.